It's Professor Dave. Let's learn the si impersonale.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
The word si can be very confusing because Italian has multiple uses for this word, and they are very different from one another. Here are the ways we have already seen this word. As a reflexive verb, lui si lava. As a reciprocal, loro si vedono spesso, ma non si telefonano mai. As pleonastico, lui si mangia 3 gelati al giorno. Now we are going to add 2 more uses for this word, the first of which is the impersonal pronoun, or si impersonale. This pronoun is used when there is no precise subject, just a generic one. You, we, people, or everybody. It is used especially with intransitive verbs, reflexives, with adjectives, or transitive verbs with no direct object expressed. In the past tense, the auxiliary will always be essere. For example, si va in macchina. This has many translations. Most often it would mean, do we go by car? But it could also mean, does one go by car? Or identically, do you go by car, where you is the general non-specific you? Or even, do people go by car? The most common expressions that use si impersonale are as follows. Si dice, si parla, si va, si dorme, si pensa, si torna, si fa, si sta, si crede. Impersonal construction may include potere, dovere, or volere, followed by an infinitive. La cosa peggiore che si può dire di lui è che è un po' pigro. In chiesa si deve parlare sottovoce. Notice that in this context, you does not mean you in the normal sense. It is the general you, as if to actually say, one must speak softly, as a rule that applies to everyone. Come si dice latte in inglese? Again, the question is not how you specifically say it. It's more like, how does one say? Mi dispiace, ma non si sa ancora nulla. Si deve avere pazienza e aspettare. Nothing is known by us or by anyone. Everyone must be patient and wait. Dove si va? Ma fa freddo, perché non si sta a casa? Where do we go? It's cold. Why don't we stay home? Si può entrare? May we enter, but more closely implying, may anyone enter. Si deve dormire proprio bene in questo letto. Indeed, you must sleep well, because anyone must sleep well in such a comfortable bed. Si sa sempre quando si parte, ma mai quando si arriva. You always know when you leave, but never when you arrive. Universal wisdom indeed. Now we must remark that when an impersonal construction is used with a reflexive verb, the pronoun ci replaces si, in order to avoid using the pronoun si twice in succession. For example, in estate la gente si alza presto. This becomes in estate ci si alza presto. Per andare in chiesa ci vestiamo bene. Per andare in chiesa ci si veste bene. Let's see a few more using different tenses. This will illustrate how common this construction really can be. Quando si mangia in questa casa? Si dice che in Italia il tempo è sempre bello. Quando il tempo è bello, si è sempre allegri. Alla spiaggia si potrà fare il bagno? Quando non c'era la TV, si leggeva di più. Senza preoccupazioni, si dormirebbe bene. Ieri sera si è mangiato troppo. Si potrebbe dire che oggi è primavera. Non si vive di solo pane. Si prega di non toccare la merce. And now we understand how to use si impersonale. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.